Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at NASDAQ 100 for this week, by the way. So we would want to know where this NASDAQ will be going for this week. So now let's start with the full analysis, right? So we'll start from the higher time frame down to the 4-hour time frame. So this with the monthly time frame, we can see, let's see this period of 2017, right? NASDAQ 100 has actually been giving us a bullish move. You clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows. Price is actually was on an uptrend move. Then it got to a period, early last year, this time last year, which was 2022. Then NASDAQ 100 started dropping. Majority of all our stocks have been dropping. You see that the market has been bearish, be it crypto, stocks and everything. So you can clearly now see that we are on a downtrend move. Previously, this price was trading above this 10 period simple moving average. By the way, we are using 10 period simple moving average. So this price was trading above it, but now price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So we would see something like this as a lower lows, then a lower highs on NASDAQ, and here comes a lower lows, and this is a lower highs. You can see another lows has been broken that took out this high, this previous lower lows. So if we are following this channel consistently, we will see how we talk about hitting a level of 10,687. Well, price has gotten to that level multiple times. Then price gave us a pullback. We saw this pullback that came to our 10 period moving average. So you know, in the long run, we will be expecting another drop. In the long run, we'll be expecting a new drop to be formed or be made. Thereby, the new drop, we have to take out this previous lows, right? So NASDAQ 100, if you are like a long-term trader or a position trader, you would want to actually go long, but you would want to actually wait for the best time or setup. You would not just want to go ahead and take it, right? You would want to wait for a best setup, to actually go ahead and take this trade. Anyway, this price is actually dropping. So as at now, price is kind of playing out. You can see that this is the month of January. It has given us a bullish move. Price is kind of rejecting this level. I believe very soon we will break this level. As at now, price is still reacting at this level. In the long run, we are expected to make a break out of these lows, whereby NASDAQ 100 will drop more. But as at now, price is still reacting to this same level. So we have no other option than to go ahead and react to it. So now that this price came to the same level on the monthly time frame and we had a rejection that went up, this price has come to this same level again and price is giving us a rejection. So you have no doubt should not go long on this NASDAQ 100. So since price came to this same level and it gave us a reaction at this level, this is at the level of 12,167. Let's just aim for a level of 12,100. I think that will be better. So a level of 12,100 is what we would want to watch out for. So if this NASDAQ 100 can hit a level of 12,100, then we would expect a drop. So all we just have to say is that more bullish move is to come on NASDAQ 100. So expect more bullish move. So maybe around the time period of February, ending of February, I think so. I think in the month of February, maybe then we can now start expecting a bearish move on NASDAQ 100. As at now, this NASDAQ 100 will continue to give us a bullish move, unfortunately, but that is how it's going to be. So NASDAQ 100, for now, we are on a bullish move, but in the long run, we are still on a bearish move. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. Like we said, before you place your trade, you would want to know the trend for such trade that you are taking, and you can see that we are on a downtrend move. We all know that markets give us three movements: an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging markets move. So that is the three movements NASDAQ 100 markets actually give us. So what we are having here on NASDAQ 100 is a downtrend move, lower lows and the lower highs, right? So price actually dropped to these lows. Then we had a rejection that price went up. Price also came to this lows again. a rejection was made that it actually went up to this level. This broke this previous high as well. Price dropped to this same lows again, and we are now having a rejection. So I would say we should expect more bullish move. So, like I said before, I'm watching out for a level of 12,100. Let's see if we would have a bullish move this week also. This week that just finished, NASDAQ 100 gave us a bullish move. So this week that we are predicting for, which is January 16 or so, right? We expect NASDAQ 100 to give us a bullish move. By the way, I don't think the stock market will open on Monday. I don't think. Maybe NASDAQ 100 will trade, but the stock market itself won't open. Will the NASDAQ 100 actually trade? I'm not really sure. I can't say much about that. This Martin Luther something holiday that they gave, so the markets might not likely open on Monday. But let's watch out on Tuesday. Very much sure that markets will open on Tuesday. Anyway, if the market opens on Tuesday, we should be expecting more bullish move to be made for this week. Maybe on once the market opens, there should be a little bit of a pullback before price push up. Well, this week, let's see if NASDAQ 100 will give us a bullish move. As you can see, this price has now broken above this 10 period moving average. Let's see if it will continue to push up to this level of 12,100. If it can hit this level of 12,100, then I believe there will be a rejection at this level whereby price will drop for the day. So now that should take us to the daily time frame. So you can see it on the daily time frame. Full trend, by the way, if you have to zoom it out to see this is a downtrend move. But let's take a look at this recent move that NASDAQ 100 is trading. That is exactly what you are going to trade with. So if you have been following this consistently, you would have seen how we highlighted this level here, this level, which is the down, which we will take as a support level, and this level was the resistance level. So we saw that anytime price comes to this support level, we tend to get a rejection back up to the resistance level, and then price will drop to our support level, right? Well, price came to this resistance level and it broke above it. This once resistance level now became our support level. So price kind of range within this level. Well, price has later corrected itself. It dropped to this support level and it has rejected. It has gone up. So it is at this key level we expect price to actually react at this key level. I do say it most of the time that if price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, expect a reaction at that level. So let's expect price to react by giving us a pullback at this level. If price give us a pullback, I strongly believe that price will actually go up again. So if price can push up, then this is the level we will be watching out for, which is a level of 12,100 for the week. And if in case price does not go bullish, there's every possibility that price might not actually push up again. But if in case price does not go bullish, then we will be aiming for that level of 10,687 again. Like I said, if price does not break above, it does not go bullish, then we should watch out for a level of 10,687. But if in case price give us a pullback, then we should expect a bullish move. And once it give us that bullish move, then a level of around 12,100 is what we'll be watching out for. You can see previously this price was trading below this 10 period moving average, but now we are trading above this 10 period moving average. So still a buy movement. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So 4 hours is still an uptrend move. So I don't think it will make sense for you to just go ahead and sell. The only time you should actually sell is when you get a confirmation. And one of those confirmation you should be able to get is when you get multiple break of structure downward. Maybe you get about 3-4 break of structure downward. You see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then you can now say, okay, this is a confirmation. You can go ahead and sell. If not, price very much likely to push up. So you will know how to get stopped out. So anyhow, this NASDAQ 100, I personally am watching out for a bullish move this week. So if in case this NASDAQ 100 give us a bearish move this week, no problem about that. We will go ahead and trade. I'm going to update you guys by the other week, but we should watch out for a bullish move this week.